this is Ceramark. That's about 120 bucks worth of Ceramark right there. And what you do is you super clean your stainless steel and then you spray it on. It's hard to see, and we'll see when we take it out, but there's sort of a white coating. So what you do is you spray it on the place where you want to mark, and then you let it dry. And then when the laser hits it, it forms a chemical change to the steel. Since a 40-watt CO2 laser sure as heck can't cut stainless steel, and this is 316L stainless, which is what's used in medical instruments. And so that causes a very permanent chemical change in the steel. So you can actually scour this, you can put it in the dishwasher, you know, anything that isn't really good, like, you know, obviously a grinder or something will blow the surface right off the steel, but you can certainly autoclave it. And in fact, the hospital uses this to mark it. So we're going to now try this out. And then what you'll see is we'll take it out and we'll wash off the white gunk, and we'll be left with a very dark black mark, in theory. I have actually not done this before. Might have needed to choose thinner letters, but we'll see when we wash it off. I have lots of stainless steel test pieces, so we don't have to actually use a real medical instrument. In theory, it'll look much better once we wash off the molybdenum, but that should be a very permanent black mark. So in a sec, we will wash this. All right, we are here in the bathroom. I'm going to just try to balance the camera. I realize this is not the best angle. Soap. Try a little soap here. Get all toasty there. All right, well, that is certainly dark. You cannot complain about that. And I even got it to go around a corner. That's super impressive. Anyway, that'll show you how well this works.